fun at Black Rock. The coral and the fish were actually kind of underwhelming, but the jumping off the rock was amazing, and I'm now glad that I can say that I have the experience of jumping off of Black Rock on Maui. I did it 3 times. On the second time, I lost my Apple Watch, so, but you know, whatever. But the water was super clear, very nice. The beach was a little crowded, but it is 4th of July weekend, so because it's 4th of July weekend, we are driving into Lahaina, into town, to check out the fireworks, hopefully get some good parking, maybe do a little bit more shopping. But this has just been a chill, relaxed day with a little bit of swimming, and now maybe some entertainment and maybe some dinner. Well, that's it for today's vlog. Happy 4th of July, everybody. We had a great time watching the fireworks. There were a ton of people, but it was really great to kind of watch that. And tomorrow is the road to Hana, so that should be waterfalls and all sorts of fun stuff. Yeah, no, today was good. I tore my pants, so there's that. But all right, hit subscribe, hit like, all those things. See you in the next video.